I'm going to solve the question for this. Here, if u is equal to natural numbers less than 25 is a universal set, then write the following sets by listing method. Here, the question is u is equal to natural numbers less than 25 means u equals to natural number start from 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 24. Yes, then write the following sets by listing, and then a number question. A equals to square numbers less than 25. For this is means square numbers less than 25. 4, 9, 16. This. Then B number question. B number set. Odd numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23. Less than because we have less than 25 as universal set, so this is the answer. And C number equals to composite number. Composite number means not one and itself and not prime numbers. Okay, not one and itself and not prime numbers. So we could not write 1, 2, 3 as then 4, 5 is also prime number, 6 and 7 is prime number, then 8, 9 also we can write 10, 11 is prime number, so 12, 13 is a prime number, 14, 15, 16, 17 is prime, 18, 19, and then 20 is also we can write, 21 is also, 22 and 23 is prime number, and 24. This is the answer for C. Now we are going to solve for this question, and now I want to make clear this. Yes, this I want to make clear. Let's rub this more rub. Okay, now this highlighter and this one. Now u equals to the set of all numbers from 5 to 20. From 5 to 20, yes, u equals to, we have this is very bad writing, yes, u equals to 5 from 5 to 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, this to 20. This is then for this a number. Now a number I am going to solve. Set e equals to, we have set e equals to, we have from even number just, then 6, 8 like this is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Then B question is multiple of 3. M3, set M3 equals to multiple of 3 means 6, 9, here is 6 and here 9 also, yes, and then 12, 15, 18, this much. And then C number, prime number. Okay, we can find prime number 5, 7 like this, 5, 7, then 11, 13 and I think 17 and 19, this much. Thank you. Like and subscribe also. Okay.